Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX, and in this video, as usual, students are still making testimonials, turn 5,000 to 20,000. Look at this. And yeah, in this video, you're gonna see this testimonial. Then next, you're gonna see like a clip of the live session with one of my students, and after that, you're gonna see trades from one of my students again. So like I said, if you want to find out more about the course, please click the link in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe, and hope you like the video. And one more thing, I'll repeat this again. If you're losing in Forex, no one is against you. Your broker is not against you, okay? Your broker is not using a fake MT4. Stop thinking that. What do you gain from thinking someone is against you? It doesn't matter even if you have $150,000 in your Forex broker account. Brokers make millions. Okay, they can make 10 million, they can make 20 million, they can make 50 million in a month. If you think it's a lie, some people deposit 10 million and lose it and they do not feel it. There are people like that. I've seen it. That's just how they are. And that's the kind of wealth they have. Your broker is not against you. Your broker is not using any trickery against you. Whatever they do, even if you think it's a scam from them, it is written on their website and is allowed. There are two types of broker, A book and B book. Go and research it yourself. I can't be teaching you this. I've told you whatever pain you are going through, I have gone through 10 times, 20 times, 30 times worse pain than that. I don't just teach you how to trade. I teach you everything about Forex if you ask the questions. It doesn't matter if it's about the brokers, it's about withdrawals, it's about joining, if it's about whether you live in the United States and you need a broker, whatever. You can't join some brokers in Europe, you can, whatever. Okay? Please, if you want to buy the course, please click the link in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hope you learn something from this video and you enjoy. Thank you. Compared to this.
Okay, I was using the BTMM system, right?
What's that?
And the beat the market maker system. And what it is like you go on the H4 and you look at order flow and order blocks, institutional order flow. And then you wait. If you want to buy and it breaks the order flow on the H4, you now come to the 15-minute chart. And since you're buying, you want to buy around the previous day's low. So you look at the 15 and you wait for an order block to be broken to the upside. And that is your trade. You wait for the retest and then you take the trade.
So how effective or how consistent was it?
Okay. It can be very consistent when the market is trending, right?
Yeah.
However, in recent times, like let's say the last 3 weeks, you are not able to trade the reversals, because the market is just going and going and going down in one direction, you know? So it's very, very difficult. And then at the beginning of the year, most of these trades, the market started trying to get like 100 or at least 3 times that stop loss. You know, 3 times your reward to risk ratio must be 3 to 1. And what was happening is
even a 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio is still bullshit, but people don't know.
Yeah. And what was happening? It kept failing. It kept hitting the stop loss all the time. And
that's what I try to tell people. I try to tell people that most of these systems are only designed to be able to use during just a certain period of time. It's not a long-term strategy. It's not something you can use for years. These systems were not made with the idea that something can happen in the market randomly. Okay? Because they didn't trade that long. They only saw something that worked for a short time and decided that, well, this is what I'll base my life's work on. You know, I've been through moments where random things will happen. This period could not have been coronavirus. Maybe it was a nuclear war. Maybe it was an ordinary war. Maybe it was a civil war. Most of these EAs cannot adapt to that. They are only built for one thing. Most of their systems cannot adapt to changes because they can't just trade change. It just doesn't make sense. You know, it's just they are just trying to get lucky. They are not really trying to trade.
Yeah, and that is what I realized. Where was the edge? There was no real edge.
You had no edge in the market. Yes, it gives you no edge. You are just hoping and praying for the best.
Yeah, and it was exactly as you were saying. You might win one trade and you might win 300, 400 pips if you want to hold a trade for a few days, right?
Yeah.
And in that period, it might go up 200 pips and then it might come down back and you will be 50 pips in profit and you're hoping that it goes up back again to hit your take profit, you know, to offset all your losses.
Just madness.
where your problem comes. And then I saw these guys trading, and they were getting at the very bottom and close off at the very top, and then sell at the very top. But then when I look at the lot size, it's 0.01. So I'm saying to myself, if you are so sure that the market is going up from there, why it is you're trading on 0.01
exactly
to make 1,000 pips?
Then they'll make an excuse saying greed is not good. Like
exactly, that's what
they
said.
always have an excuse for every question you ask.
Yeah, that is exactly what they said. Because you have to watch your money management. And then I asked them, I said, well,
because
what's your stop loss?
The thing is that because they don't know how to do it, they will tell you it's not possible.
Yeah. And then I found out they were using 200 pip stop loss.
And that's the daily range for about 3 days on some pairs.
Yeah, exactly. And I tell people, I said, well, if you have to use a 200 pip stop loss and you take a trade and the trade goes against you 200 pips, it's a bad trade. It's a wrong trade.
Exactly. That means they can't tell when the trade is bad. They can't tell when the trend has changed. They can't. That's why they're just giving you, oh, let's be safe and put 200 to 500 pip stop loss.
Yeah. So to me, that really didn't make sense, because for somebody who is trading, that's like nothing. You're guessing.
Yes.
Yes. I will have a better chance doing a coin flip and just taking a trade. And these guys, apparently they make money out of their mentorship.
Yeah. On my channel, I tell them, I don't care. If you make a stupid comment, I'll block you. If you send me a stupid email, I block you. I don't even care if you want to buy the course. I don't even care if you buy the course. I make money off trading.
Well, to be honest with you, you're the only person I saw that actually put his money where his mouth is.
Yeah.
You're actually showing it on the charts, live chat, and it's not a $100 account.
Yeah.
The rest of them,
and some of them are only good at putting out charts. There's a difference between putting out charts and trading. When you are actually trading, you are looking at things like pullbacks, quick pushes in the market, things that will just make your mind go, make you very emotional. And that's what the market wants. The market wants you to be confused. If you are confused, it's got you. That's why when I put my system, even if you're confused, there's still a way for you to hold where you are, and wait for the market to do all this bullshit. Then you continue. It's giving you the best edge. We're not really fighting the market. We're just trying to know what the market is doing and just follow it. There's a difference with trying to fight the market, which is when they're always trying to say, oh, it has gone up too much, it's time to sell. There's no such thing as that. If the market is going up, it can go up from 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 pips and not come back. Because people tend to forget that this is the real currencies of some countries. If something had happened that made the currencies, the country greater, and the currency starts getting stronger, why should it come back? Why? For people that are trading, a whole currency against traders, but they want to trade whatever bullshit they're trading. It's not my problem. They're still going to end up trading it. You can't force people to do the right thing. And every month, even if they lose $500 a month, they think it's small, but do that for a year, that's $6,000.
Right.
So they're basically paying the market to learn nothing.
Did you have I don't know if you trade gold, but did you have that long spike that IC markets did yesterday on the gold?
I saw it.